In this video, we're going to talk about how you can transfer money from Direct Express into Cash App. So the first thing that we want to do is click on our profile icon found in the top right corner and scroll down until you see linked banks and just select this option, linked banks. Here we can choose link debit card, and we can either input our Direct Express card number right here along with all of the other information such as the expiration date and the CVV, or another way of how we can do this is by clicking on no card, and here we will instead see a list of all of the different banking institutions. So if we click on continue, it's going to show us all of the different banking institutions, and we can just search for Direct Express right here. You will be able to see US Direct Express, and it's going to say multiple available. So if we click on it, you will see either US Direct Express card starting with, and these are the numbers that it starts with, and here are some other numbers for cards. Now once we click on it, then we can go back here. If it says institution not available, it's just for my country. But once you have linked your Direct Express card here, then if we go back, we will click on the banking icon in the bottom left, and we want to select add cash. Now, if we have successfully linked Direct Express with Cash App, we can choose one of these amounts here. Or if we want to do a custom amount, we'll click on the three dots, type the amount of money which we want to transfer from Direct Express, click on add, and if we have successfully linked our card, like I said, then this is going to take the money from Direct Express and transfer it over to our Cash App. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.